Okay, welcome to Random Tech, where we are light on specifics, but at the end of the videos, typically you'll get the gist. So today is a bit of a rant against, drumroll please, Apple. We purchased a replacement case recently for the AirPods Pro, and I called them up at their 800 number, explained what was going on. They sent me and I placed the order for a new case. It arrived, but in the meantime, it took about a week and a half, maybe 10 days to receive the package. But in the meantime, we had figured out that there was something that was fixable within the case that we had. So when the package got here, well, let me show you the package here real quick. So when the package got here, you'll notice here over on the side, it says, do not break the seal unless using parts. So the only reason I opened this was just to verify that it was in fact the parts that I had ordered, that the AirPods Pro case. And as you can see, it was. Now the reason why I opened it is because on the exterior of this package, there is no indication whatsoever, not even on the shipping label itself, that this is actually from Apple. So I get a lot of stuff in from Amazon. I get packages in for the family just all the time. So while I was fairly certain it was, I just wanted to confirm it. So anyways, I go to the Apple store to return it, and I bring it in there, and they take a look at it, and they pull it up in their system and say, oh yeah, we see you placed an order for the AirPods Pro case replacement. Looks like you ordered this directly through our parts department. I'm like, I don't know. I called up the phone number and placed the order, and then they sent it to me. So was it the parts department? I'm not sure. And they said, well, unfortunately, since you ordered it through the parts department and you've already opened up the packaging, this is considered non-refundable. So I said, well, can I call them? She said, sure, you can call them, but I don't think it's going to make a difference because they're pretty adamant about not accepting returns on parts. So anyways, I did call them, and I was on hold with them for, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. And then eventually when somebody came on the line, I was able to talk to them about this. And sure enough, there is a policy. And she sent me the policy. She was kind enough to email it to me that said that they do not accept returns on parts. Now, had I known that this was I was ordering a part from Apple instead of a retail replacement or something like that, like I could have gone into the store. This is what's crazy. If I gone into the store, bought a replacement AirPods Pro case, brought it home, discovered that we could fix the one that we had, and then brought that one that we had purchased in the store back, they would have taken it no questions asked because it was purchased through the retail channel. But Apple, unbeknownst to me, and I'm sure many other people, if you're watching this video, if you're in a similar situation where you've ordered an Apple part, not realizing that you've ordered an Apple part, I feel for you. It's a little known way in which they conduct business, and personally, I think it's lousy. So this leaves a real bad taste in my mouth for Apple products. I typically upgrade my phone every year. I'm on the iPhone upgrade program, but I just hit my 2-year mark for my iPhone 11. And I haven't upgraded it since, and I do not plan to upgrade it moving forward. And once the life cycle of this particular phone has ended, maybe another year or two, I don't know that I'm going to continue with Apple. This really left a bad taste in my mouth. It's just not the way that you conduct business. Not in today's day and age anyways. So anybody else out there had similar issues with Apple parts purchased that you mistakenly didn't realize that you couldn't return, or literally you break the seal. You break the seal. This is it. That's what I did. I opened this up. That's it. It's crazy. Anyways, put a comment below if you have had a similar experience to what I just described, and thanks for watching.